288 leads from 1 day's advertising. This is the power of the new product launched by HashingSpace called the login ads. So these login ads, I'm going to be demonstrating throughout this video what they are and how you can get started with them and end up having a potential 288 leads every single day from just using this low-cost, straight niche advertising product for your business. So this is a product. This is an advertising product by HashingSpace that is a potential lead magnet for you if you are in the how to make money online niche and ways to make money online working from home type of niche. So basically, this is where if you're someone who owns software, if you have some sort of a product that will help people make more money from home, or you're an affiliate for such companies, then this is a video that you might want to watch all the way to the end, because I will be showing you how you can get started and get such type of clients every single day for lowest cost with guaranteed views each and every single time you place an ad here. So basically, if you're new to this channel, I really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications for new videos. Also leave a comment down below, like the video, it helps the channel grow. Or also check out the Telegram group that we got. I'm gonna leave the link down below for the Telegram group where I can help you one-on-one if you got any questions or you're struggling with something that I can help you out with. Welcome to this new video, and as I said, we're going to be discussing this testimonial that Luke Millard, who is the CEO of HashingSpace, sent out a couple of weeks ago. It's a very long email, but I went through everything, and this is an inspiring email that I got. That everybody received if you are already a member of HashingSpace. So Luke Miller sent out this email to all HashingSpace members. So if you're not a member yet, I've got a link down below that you can use to get started with this. And I believe you're gonna get, if you're an advertiser, this link will actually help you out because you're gonna get some free impression to try out their advertising products. I'm talking about the banner ads and so forth. So just check out that link down below. Also, if you just want to earn some free cash, if you're looking for extra stream of income, then there are two links down below. Use the one to earn Asemi tokens, which is a cryptocurrency token that you can exchange for Bitcoin once you reach the $50 worth of Asemi token on your account, on your dashboard. Then you can cash out, which is doable, as you'll be able to earn up to 5 Asemi for free right now, starting today. Right now, as soon as you log in. So anyways, as you can see, this is HashingSpace email straight from them. So I'm just going to go through other emails right here. Let me just take you through this one. So as you can see, HashingSpace has grown to up to 160,000 members that are just keep on growing every single day, and they've delivered successfully over 33 million full-page views, ad views, and banner ads to potential clients, people who are ready to buy into such software that can help them make more money. Recently, from my own side, I was going through the 5 premium ads each and every single day, and I found this new software that I can use for my email marketing. So there's Aweber, there's MailChimp, but there's this new one that was recently launched. So this is a place where you can get softwares that are new or that are just low-key but very powerful and useful that you can use to enhance your business online successfully, or find new ways of earning money online, like CryptoTab browser that has been advertised recently. It's becoming more popular. I've seen a lot of ads of that. So they're just different ways that you can find to start making more money online, working from home, and potentially 10x your amount that you're making money from home. As you can see, this platform, as I said, HashingSpace is an advertising platform that is a niche base. So this is the 2 largest markets that is basically focused on, which is online advertising. We're talking about Facebook ads, social media marketing type of things like running Google ads and so forth. So the only advantage of this is that this is the place for people who are into the how to make money online, working from home or something like that type of niche. So of course, it's not the best place to bring on products like how to do bodybuilding or how to eat healthy type of things, even though maybe might find success, but I haven't tried it myself. But as you can see, this type of products that you would want to make are in these two largest markets that are growing each and every single day. If you're an affiliate, as I said, if you're an affiliate for such products or you own your own products, you can start, you might want to watch this video all the way to the end, as I'm going to be demonstrating and showing you how you can start with this and end up having the potential of making 288 leads every single day. I mean, if you already own a software or if you're an affiliate, you will know the power of having such amount of leads each and every single day. This is the potential of making thousands, if not hundreds of thousands each and every single day, just from using one cheap advertising platform, which is Hashing Headspace. So another email that I wanted to show you is this one right there. So we say take your business to the next level, which is like one of the most recent emails that was sent, again by Luke Millard, who is the CEO of Hashing Headspace. So if you're not familiar with who he is, you can check out their official YouTube channel where he has made a couple of videos sharing some of some of Hashing Headspace's improvements and updates and so forth. So basically, two ad services that you should be using right now, and you can see that they have the login ad, which is the one that I just showed you, that generated 288 leads in a day for one person who has been successfully using this platform. Also the banner ads, which is on sale right now, 4x impressions. So this basically, if you start right now, as you can see, there's a sale on this banner ads as well as other different products that you can use to generate leads for your business. So the login banner ad is the one that I want to focus on today, because as you saw, I said again, 288 leads is not easy to gain using other ways of advertising out there. So this is really powerful and is something that might interest you. Basically, I'm just going to show you how the login ad actually views when there's over 160 people, over 160,000 people log into Hashing Headspace each and every single day. And remember, one way to get customers is to always have your product in face of people each and every single time. So 160,000 people seeing your ads every time they log into Hashing Headspace every single day. And the best part of this is that you're not being paid for every click or for every view. You're being paid. You are paying for a service to display your ads for the whole day. So for a full 24-hour swing. So once you pay that one payment fee, it's not about the click. It's not about when somebody clicks. And these are guaranteed views. Remember, 160,000 people getting in, watching, viewing your ad, and they're in the correct market. You're advertising to the correct people interested in your product. So this is really a bargain. This is like the cheapest, easiest way you can actually start making money online. We're using the power of this advertising platform right here, Hashing Headspace. So as you can see, so if you want to get started, again, the links are going to be down below. As you can see, I just clicked the login button. This ad is going to display for 15 seconds and as well every time I log in onto Hashing Headspace. So this is how basically it will lay out. As you can see, there's someone who just bought for this whole 24-hour full day advertising, and they're getting sales. As you can see, the timer will count down from 15 seconds, and then you have the option to either open this ad in new tab to interact with it even further, but you can also just type in your email here and get started. So basically, it's like this is the best part of this website. Use your full website. It's not like some type of, small banner ad that people won't really interact with. This is why the login ad is pretty massive. It's like one of the best products that Hashing Headspace has ever launched. So basically, this is how it looks like, and then you can, once you're done interacting with the ad, you can proceed going to the next going to the dashboard. So this is basically the whole design, the whole concept between the login ad. So every time somebody logs in, every time a member of Hashing Headspace logs in, they will see this ad for 15 seconds, interact with it, and there's a potential for you to get a lot of leads. I recommend that you have a good landing page and you are collecting emails straight from that ad, so that you actually end up having a lot of leads that you can do follow up on. Because if somebody leaves their email for you, that means they're interested in the product. That means they're potential client for you to close them, right? So I would recommend that you are collecting emails, and I think I'm also going to leave a free 14-day trial for ClickFunnels, which is one of the best ways to create easy landing page and an email collection landing page that will just basically they teach you how to create funnels that keep on collecting emails for you each and every single day. So you build it once, you leave it out there, you just see sales coming through. So Hashing Airspace plus your product plus ClickFunnels, a perfectly built funnel using ClickFunnels 14-day free trial. You can get amazing results with this product. So let me just wait for this to log in and then show you the prices and so forth of Hashing Airspace. Okay, so right now I'm on my dashboard right here. As you can see, I also mint ads every single day and will views the ads, as I was saying. So right now I have over 450 ASIMI tokens in my account. So yeah, I would also recommend, if you're an advertiser, to use this button right here, the view to earn button right there, and then start minting, just viewing 5 ads every single day. The first 5 ads, that will take you about 5 minutes, or less than 5 minutes, and earn some ASIMI token, because that will actually help you get one of these advertising products basically for free, I would say, because you're earning the ASIMI token on this platform and then you spend them there, which is like basically buying for free. So this is a view to earn advertising product which costs only 10 ASIMI, and you have the potential of earning up to 5 ASIMI every single day for free, totally for free, using this button right there. So if you're an advertiser or if you're just someone who wants to earn an extra income stream, I would recommend that you use that button and start earning some free tokens so that you can either withdraw them once you reach $50 worth of ASIMI, or you use them to buy the view to earn advertising products right there, and some more using your own products and services or affiliate products and so forth. So anyway, the login ad purchase, you actually come down to the advertising products and then you select it right here. I'm just going to show you how to purchase it. And remember, you can purchase this with either the ASIMI token on your account, or you can purchase this with Bitcoin. So if you have Bitcoin, it's easier to buy it, or if you've got if you don't have Bitcoin and you want to use your credit cards, there are different ways of buying Bitcoin out there, different services that are provided. So I know for most of people in the USA and countries like those, you can use you can use Coinbase, which is the easiest way to do it. If Coinbase is supported in your country, you can use that. So you can also check out CoinMarketCap or other videos that I've made on this channel, where I show you how you can purchase Bitcoin for the lowest price possible and sell it for high price if you want to do buying and selling of Bitcoins. But anyways, you can check out those videos and then start getting Bitcoin, and then you can use it to buy your login purchase right here. So basically this is what it is, and as you can see, these are still available to be bought right now. So on Thursday, August 29, you can buy this login ad day. Today is August 23rd. So 23rd, 24th, all the way to the August 29th is actually bought. Those are bought. They're no longer available for you to buy them. So as you can see, 23 August right here. So those all the next 6 days has been fully booked. Is fully bought. As you can see, the ASIMI price is 1,526. So you can actually buy it right now. As you can see, this 1,900, and then the price just keeps on growing up. So the sooner you go in and buy this, you secure this for yourself, the cheaper that you actually get it for. So basically, you will just come in here and click the buy button, and then follow the steps on how you can get this. Right there. So as you can see, subtotal 2,543 ASIMI right there. If you want to buy it right now for the 29th of August, so that whole day you'll be just getting leads and sales straight away. So you read and accept the disclaimer and then proceed to pay the amount of ASIMI that you can do. So as you can see, 40% discount right there. So this is actually a bargain that you can get it for right now. So if you got any questions or you need help to buy ASIMI tokens, or you want to buy using Bitcoin, you can leave a comment down below. You can also join the Telegram group and just hit me up there, and I'll help you one-on-one. I'll be more than happy to do that for you. So thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you taking time to watch this all the way to the end. Join Hashing Airspace. The link is down below, and start getting some sales each and every single day. And if you want to another extra extra income stream. As you saw, you can start earning free Asimi tokens and then trade them for Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can also do that with the second link in the description. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace.